Today's video is very special. It is about a patient जिसने बहुत ट्रस्ट करके मुझसे अपनी गायनेकोमास्टिया की सर्जरी कराई और रिजल्ट्स देख के he was so happy that he wanted to send a review video. Look at this video and see his journey from gynecomastia struggles to confidence.
Hey, so I'll straight away come on to the main thing. I mean, I'll first give my introduction कि मैं क्या था और मैं किस चीज़ से गया था and how I met Ritesh and how it all went go through. So तो एक typical 25 साल का लड़का who was working in an IT company, right? So gyno was an issue जो मुझे बहुत टाइम पहले से थी, but it's just कि मेरा lifestyle के वजह से it was just getting more worse and worse. So surgeries ये सब मैंने आज तक कभी सोचा नहीं था. I was very scared of them. मैंने सोचा था कि इसको अपने आप ही ठीक कर लेता हूँ. So I mean, I'll just drop down straight 4-5 years getting all humiliated because of that. And one of sudden, मेरा एक बहुत close friend था. I did not take his name, but he suggested me Ritesh sir because he himself also got his surgery done. So that's where I met Ritesh sir. And I'll be very honest, Ritesh sir से पहले भी I met 2 or 3 surgeons as well. But जो touch and connection Ritesh sir के साथ था, that is something which you yourself cannot explain it because जब कभी भी आप एक इतने सेंसिटिव टॉपिक के लिए जाते हो, this topic is so sensitive is because physically it is there, but mentally the trauma that it has got into your head is very immense. मैं 2 सर्जन से मिला. I mean, they were very professional. उनको बस सर्जरी करने तक से मतलब था. But when I met Ritesh sir, first of all, the way he was professional, at the same point of time, he understood the exact problem that we mentally used to face as well. Also because my mother was there, so he was also so convincing that he explained the whole issue not only to me but also to my mother to make her understand कि ये exact problem है क्या. And I mean, I still remember हम लोग उनके one of the panel hospitals में गए थे and I then and there like booked up a schedule with him and within the next week the whole surgery was done. Now the biggest part is कि आपको ये होता है that you are the one who's supposed to again and again ask your surgeon कि sir post surgery में आपसे कब मिलने आऊँ, how am I supposed to interact with you, how am I supposed to talk to you. But I'll tell you the most magical part I could say is that कि I wasn't even expecting, but Ritesh sir का आगे से मैसेज आता on WhatsApp कि dude एक हफ्ता हो चुका है, you haven't seen to me, come on this date, I'm available on this date and this time and do come over here. And that was one of the biggest touching things for me because मेरे को पता ही नहीं था. मैं बहुत शर्मा रहा था उस टाइम पे टू इंटरेक्ट विद सर टू आस्क हिम दैट व्हेन नेक्स्ट आई शुड कम इन एंड नॉट इवन दैट 1 week, I mean of the upcoming weeks as well, he sends regular messages to you over his WhatsApp, his personal WhatsApp, where he lets everyone know कि वो किस लोकेशन पे किस टाइम पे होंगे and even if you want to just go meet him, see him, it's all available. The biggest part over there is that जब मेरी सर्जरी हुई थी मैंने 2 महीने तक भी उनसे पिक्चर्स नहीं मांगी थी. And one random month I just simply contacted sir stating कि सर अगर आपके पास images हैं मेरी तो आप प्लीज शेयर कर दीजिए. And the immense amount of professionalism he has is that कि वो हर एक cases को save रखते हैं, pre, post and next on the pictures भी सब कुछ save रखते हैं. He has every single details of them. So I mean hats off to him यार. I would blindly say कि just go with him because he is not only good with his surgeries, he is extensively good with the empathy and the sympathy with the patients. जो हम लोगों को काफी रिक्वायर्ड होती है बिकॉज हम डर के जाते हैं, हमें पता नहीं होता क्या होने वाला है हमारे साथ एंड हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू गो फ्रॉम हाउ यू आर लुकिंग करंटली राइट नाउ टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, इफ योर पेरेंट्स एज वेल कम इन विद यू राइट, ही इज वेरी प्रोफेशनल टू एक्सप्लेन द होल सिनेरियो टू देम एंड आई मीन हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम. इवन राइट नाउ मेरी सर्जरी को आई वुड से समवेयर बिटवीन 9 या 10 महीने हो चुके हैं. आई एम इन कॉन्स्टेंट टच विद हिम. And the bestest part is he still is this person who would simply text back to you stating how are you doing, send me your pictures how they're looking. So again, I mean, I would simply suggest Ritesh sir any day. Thank you.